and it's going to turn green, and it's going to open the door up. And this is what I have booked for the next 6 days. Nice room, and this is an interior cabin I decided to go with, and it is really nice. Got a nice sized bed. Got your two, we'll say, nightstands over here with a light, right? Nice sized bed. Over here we have a refrigerator that I've already put some stuff in, as you can see. Open this up here. You got your safe, you got to enter a code, and usually you got to either use your cell and sign card or your ID to access it. Read the instructions and it'll tell you how to do that. Some more shelf space right here, drawer space. And I do like this. If you have any kind of laundry, I know you guys pack your stuff in a luggage. Sometimes your stuff gets wrinkled. Just fill this out, put it in the bag, leave it on your bed by your pillow, and they will pick it up and return it to you either that same day or the next day before dinner time, depending on which service you pick. Because you can pick same day service or next day service. Next day service is going to be a little bit cheaper, just so you know. Right here we have the bathroom here. Ding! Nice size toilet. Good size shower with your shower gel and shampoo already ready to go. And this thing does get hot, so don't worry about that. So you got enough space in here just to enjoy the next 6 days or however many days you have booked on a cruise. And they do come by once a day, usually in the morning time. For information and all the items that will be going in this bag. They have a service. They can drop off your items the same day or the next day, depending on which one you check off. It is an additional cost, but it is very well convenient. Just put it in this bag and leave it right there. Okay, ready?
Oh, we got a photo op for you. Okay.
Report. Good job, man. Oh, he made it. Serenity are for ages 21 and above.